Hello everyone, and welcome. Since its reveal, one vehicle has captured the world's imagination, sparked endless debates, and looked like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Tesla Cybertruck. It's not just another pickup. It's a bold statement, a radical reimagining of what a truck can be. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, giving you an exclusive look at its revolutionary exterior, its surprisingly minimalist interior, and what it truly feels like to get behind the wheel. Get ready to explore the future of driving. 1. The exterior, a stainless steel revolution. Let's start with what everyone sees first, or can't stop staring at, the Cybertruck's unmistakable exterior. Radical design. Imagine a vehicle that looks unlike anything else on the road. Its angular, monolithic shape, inspired by a stealth fighter jet, is immediately recognizable. There are no curves, just sharp lines and flat panels. This design is divisive, but it certainly turns heads. Ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton. This isn't just for looks. The Cybertruck is built from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel. This material is incredibly strong and resistant to dents and corrosion. It's literally the structural skin of the vehicle, forming its exoskeleton. Armor glass. Tesla claims the windows are made of armor glass, designed to resist impacts. While we've seen a few famous demos, the intent is clear. This truck is built to be tough. Integrated lighting. The full-width LED light bar across the front and rear gives it a futuristic signature, especially at night. It's sleek and contributes to its unique aesthetic. Versatile bed. Vault. The 6-foot bed, which Tesla calls the Vault, is lockable and boasts an integrated tonneau cover that's part of the vehicle's design. It offers impressive payload capacity and utility. The Cybertruck's exterior is not just a design choice. It's a statement about durability, utility, and pushing boundaries. 2. The interior, minimalist future or bare essentials. Step inside, and the exterior's radical philosophy continues, but with a surprising focus on space and technology. Spacious and open cabin. Picture a vast, airy cabin. Thanks to the large glass roof, on some trims, the interior feels incredibly open and bright, offering excellent headroom. Giant central touchscreen. Like other Teslas, almost all controls are managed through a massive 18.5-inch landscape touchscreen in the center. This is your command center for navigation, entertainment, climate, and vehicle settings. Yoke, steering wheel. The controversial yoke steering wheel is a defining feature. It's a rectangular half wheel, designed to give an unobstructed view of the road and the screen. It takes some getting used to, but proponents love the futuristic feel. Durable materials. Following the exterior's theme, the interior materials are designed for ruggedness and easy cleaning, fitting the utility aspect of a truck. Flexible seating. The Cybertruck typically seats 5 adults comfortably, with ample legroom in the rear. Some configurations might offer 6 seats. Rear screen. Passengers in the back also get their own screen for entertainment and climate control, adding to the high-tech feel. The interior is a study in minimalism, prioritizing digital interaction and robust practicality over traditional buttons and gauges. 3. The drive, performance, power, and precision. So, how does this futuristic beast handle on the road, and off it? Blistering acceleration. This is where the Tesla DNA truly shines. Depending on the trim, rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, or Cyberbeast, the Cybertruck can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.6 seconds, Cyberbeast. That's supercar territory for a truck. Quiet and smooth ride. As an electric vehicle, the drive is remarkably quiet and smooth. The lack of engine noise and vibrations contributes to a premium feel, despite its rugged exterior. 4-wheel steering and air suspension. These features are crucial. The 4-wheel steering dramatically improves maneuverability, making it surprisingly agile for its size and allowing for tight turns. The adaptive air suspension provides a comfortable ride on highways and can adjust the ride height for off-roading or loading cargo. Off-road prowess. The high ground clearance, up to 17 inches, combined with impressive approach and departure angles, and the torque of electric motors, makes the Cybertruck a formidable off-road machine, capable of tackling challenging terrains. Range anxiety. Range varies by model, but Tesla aims for practical figures, with projected ranges that allow for significant travel without constant charging stops, especially with the optional range extender. Driving the Cybertruck is a unique experience, powerful, quiet, and surprisingly nimble for its imposing size. 4. Technology and ecosystem, beyond the truck. The Cybertruck isn't just hardware, it's part of the larger Tesla ecosystem. Autopilot and full self-driving, FSD. Like all Teslas, the Cybertruck comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, with the option for full self-driving capabilities that are continuously improving through over-the-air software updates. Over-the-air updates, this is a core Tesla advantage. The Cybertruck will continue to evolve and gain new features and improvements long after purchase, all delivered wirelessly. Supercharger network. Access to Tesla's vast and reliable supercharger network alleviates range concerns for long-distance travel. Integrated app experience. Managing charging, preconditioning the cabin, or even summoning the truck is all seamless through the Tesla app. The technology integration is a major part of the Cybertruck's appeal, making it a smart vehicle in every sense. Conclusion. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is undeniably one of the most polarizing, yet fascinating, vehicles to hit the market. Its radical stainless steel exterior challenges conventional automotive design, while its minimalist, tech-laden interior offers a glimpse into a digital future. On the road, it delivers startling performance and impressive off-road capabilities, wrapped in a surprisingly smooth and quiet electric drive. Whether you love its audacious looks or question its practicality, the Cybertruck is here, and it's certainly driving the conversation about what's possible in the world of trucks and electric vehicles. Outro. What's your take on the Tesla Cybertruck? Is it a glimpse into the future, or just too unconventional? Would you drive one? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with anyone fascinated by the Cybertruck, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the latest automotive innovations. Thanks for watching.